Hi, do you want to learn how to use gold in Islamic art? In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to prepare and use it in an easy way. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you a technique to test it if you have done it well or not. My name is Shiva and this is Learning Tezhip channel. I'm making videos about Islamic Illumination art, and please subscribe if you are interested. Let's get started. Here we need gold leaves. I'm gonna show you two different kinds. Arabic gum, in Winsor and Newton or Ishmink brands, which are the best. Some boiled water, a bowl, and some honey. We need to grind the gold leaves. As you can see, there are two kinds of gold leaves here. The first one, which we are using today, is loose gold leaves, and you can see they are not fixed on paper and they are moving when I'm trying to show them to you. The other kind is called transfer gold leaves, and they are somehow stick to the thin paper, and even if I blow on them, they will not move. And we can easily stick them on calligraphy or a surface like this one. To prepare your gold, add a small amount of honey to your bowl and then start adding your leaves inside the bowl carefully, using your finger or a piece of paper. We have 25 numbers of them, sometimes 100. Try to not fold them completely. Start to massage it with a clean hand. You should wash your hand and don't touch your gold with an oily finger. You need to continue until the whole gold becomes like a thick liquid. Here you should have medium pressure on the gold. If you push it so hard and very fast, your gold will get black because of the friction's heat. Depending on the brand, the time for massage is different, but you need to do it for about half an hour. Look at the bowl carefully and see if there is an area that is not grinded yet. Try to massage whole parts of the gold very well. Now it is time to wash the gold, and the purpose is separating the honey. Add your lukewarm water and start to wash the whole bowl with your finger. We need to put it in a steady place to settle, and about after half an hour later, we need to change the water and wash it again. Repeat this step for 3 times. For safety, it is better to use a dropper in this step. I did not have one here while making this video. No rush in these steps and try to give a good amount of time to the gold to settle completely. After the last step, wait for 1 night until your gold gets dry. Now it is time to add gum arabic to your gold. Gum arabic makes your gold powder stick to the paper, but if you add it more than needed, it will make your gold black and it will not shine. The amount of it is very important, and depending on your paper's ahar, it is different. I mean, if you have a paper with a heavy ahar, you may not need to add gum arabic at all. I'm gonna tell you how to test the amount at the end of this video. So my paper is with minimum amount of cornstarch agar. I'm gonna add only 1 drop of gum arabic to my bowl. Then I'm gonna add water because the gum is solvent in water. Try to stir it with a clean brush. Then you should put it carefully lopsided. To show you how to test your gold. One very important tip here is you should test your gold on the same paper you want to use it. And after sketching, you should outline it with watercolor and erase all of the pencil graffiti because it will make your gold black. Also, you should use your gold brush only for gold and no other colors at all. We'll use an agate burnisher to burnish the gold. For painting with your gold, rotate your bowl and start to put your brush inside the water because gum is dissolved in the water. Take some gold and paint on your paper. Don't move the gold on the paper a lot and add more gold if needed. Painting with gold is something else and it is so different from all other colors. I should say, here it feels so good. Before burnishing and testing the gum amount, we need to wait until it gets dry. Wash your gold brush inside the same bowl and put your gold in a steady place to get dry. You don't have to wash it for every using. Now we want to test the gum arabic amount. Please start with 1 drop and add more if you need it. But if you added more, you can wash your gold and add gum again. When you are sure it is dried, burnish it with the minimum pressure of your agate burnisher. And you can see the surface is so shiny. And finally, to test the gum amount, pull your dry and clean finger on the motif. If there was no gold on your finger, your gum amount is good. If you can see some gold on your finger, you need to increase the gum amount and test it again.